Repairing of Cyclojet is simpler than traditional rectangular ODU. First, open caps of both suction and liquid valve. Use Allen key to close both valves. Slightly loose the copper pipe from both valves and wait until all gas is removed from copper pipe and indoor unit. Now disconnect the copper pipes completely. Open the liquid valve slightly and wait until all gas is removed from Cyclojet. Then open both suction and liquid valves completely. In case of breakdown, we first need to check the electrical connections by simply removing control cover. Use wiring diagram given at the backside of control cover. In Cyclojet, we have a common capacitor for compressor and motor, which is called dual capacitor with wiring connection. Separate the electrical connection from control panel. Close the control cover, close the cap of both liquid and suction valve, and tighten with wrench. Unscrew the legs of Cyclojet and dismount it from the stand. Compressor replacement. Unscrew and remove control cover. Disconnect the connections from motor from main panel. Remove top cover assembly. Now, dismantle wirings of compressor with capacitor and main supply board. Remove the 7 screws of the main panel. Remember, there are 2 on either sides and 1 at the bottom. Most important is to unscrew both suction and liquid valves from the main panel. Gently remove the plate in upward position. Removal of main panel will give sufficient space for technician to easily reach the compressor. Open the box above the compressor and disconnect the wiring. Separate the liquid valve pipe connected to the compressor by brazing. Brazing is done on low flame to avoid damaging the compressor. Unscrew the compressor from the chassis. Make sure to pull the compressor upwards when removing it. Make sure compressor of Cyclojet should always be lifted upwards. And in the same manner, we need to put the new compressor. Separate the suction pipe by brazing and attach the new compressor. Tighten screws of the compressor and do brazing on both pipes to reattach them. Remember to do leak detection after brazing is done. Make sure to fit the suction and liquid valve properly so that main panel can be fitted easily. Connect the compressor and top cover assembly. Make sure that fan motor wire is not damaged while fitting. Connect the wires as per given wiring diagram. Close the control cover. Condenser replacement. Remove control cover, electrical connections, and top cover assembly. Make sure brazing should be done on low flame to avoid damaging the condenser. Remove liquid valve from the condenser. cylindrical condenser of Cyclojet is fit on the chassis by only 2 screws. Fix the new condenser and adjust properly on the chassis. Fix the liquid valve by bracing it back. Remember to do leak detection test after bracing. Fix top cover assembly, attach the electrical connect and close the control cover. Replacement of fan motor. Fan motor can be replaced by removing the control cover and top cover of Cyclojet. If Cyclojet is 12K 3-star, then there will be 4 screws to be removed, else 6 screws. Remove connections of capacitor, terminal block and main panel. Carefully remove top cover. Open the nut on the top of the fan and remove the fan. Unscrew the fan motor and adjoining wires and remove the motor. Once motor is replaced, make sure to do the wire routing properly. Make sure the wire is not loose and use cable ties to tighten the wire. Fix screws of motor. And the wire. Attach the fan and tighten the nut. Fix the top cover assembly. Reconnect the wires as per given wiring diagram. Close the control cover. Cyclojet installation. Keep Cyclojet on top of the mounting bracket. Connect suction and liquid valve with copper pipe and tighten with wrench. Remove the control cover and connect the wires as per given wiring diagram. Close the control cover. After service is over, connect the vacuum pump to check Cyclojet. For this, connect one pipe of lower pressure valve of pressure gauge to the vacuum pump and the other with suction valve. Close the vacuum pump when pressure gauge readings are satisfactory. Close the caps of suction and liquid valve and tighten with wrench. Washing. Open the control cover and disconnect the electrical connections. Carefully remove the top cover. Use a brush to first clean the inside of the condenser and then the outside. Make sure not to pour water on top of the compressor. After cleaning the condenser, remove the fan motor and clean the dirt on top of it. While cleaning top cover, make sure that the wire does not get wet by water. Fit the fan motor. and close the top cover. Fix the screws. Reconnect the wires as per the given wiring diagram and close the control cover.